Hi, I'm Monica Wihangi, and this is Christina Livingstone with Close to My Heart. Today we are introducing to you our new portable organization system, Designer Travel. We know how important it is to be able to organize and transport your paper crafting supplies, and you will love this new system.
The Designer Travel storage system is both beautiful and functional. We've specifically created these storage cases to work with all your favorite Close to My Heart products, including stamp sets, stamp pads, and of course, tools. And the details on each of these cases is just beautiful.
We're going to show you how all of the parts and pieces work together so you can organize, store, and also easily take your supplies to events like gatherings or crops.
Let's start with the Designer Travel Carry-All Case.
All right, now let's look up close all the beautiful trendy design that's been put into this designer bag here. So first off, let me point out, do you see this beautiful tone-on-tone flower pattern?
So pretty.
It really is pretty. It's got a little bit of shine in the leaf and floral pattern there. Now, I love this feature in particular, all of the gold pieces. It really pops, but it looks really classy as well. Super trendy. So here we've got our gold zippers that say CTMH, which stands for
Close to My Heart.
Close to My Heart. You've got that really nice little plaque right here. And then, of course, you've got zippers on top, again, CTMH. And look at this cute gold feature right up at the handle as well. Very, very beautifully designed, classic looking, yet trendy. It fits all the boxes, right, Christina?
It does. And I love how hard this case is, because that way you know the things that you put in it are going to be safe and secure.
It really is. It's got some reinforced edges right here. It's really, really sturdy. I love it. Now we're going to open up the case so you can see inside, but let's first open this one up. You grab that zipper,
yes.
I'll grab that one, this one. So you can see right there how that opens, and it's got a nice little like felt feature inside as well to protect some of your things, and you can put your tools in there, your small things. We'll show you as we fill it up. All right, so let's open it up, Christina, because there is something that we know all of you out there. There are two things that you need for every single project, right? Whether it's card making, scrapbooking, paper crafting, or whatever you're working on, your paper and your tools. What we love about the Designer Travel Carry-All Case is that you can use it two different ways to organize your paper and also your stamps, inks, blocks, and more.
I love the idea that you can organize paper in here, because that can be a struggle when you're traveling to crops. So to do that, you're going to go ahead and use this paper insert.
I'll bring that right in. Awesome.
So that's this here, and you can see it has these buttons, and these snap right into the pieces here on the case. So let's go ahead and show you how easy it is to do that. So I'll take this side. And I'm going to start here and really just line these up inside. Super simple.
And you took the diagonal side and put it down on the inside.
Absolutely. That's how you know which side to put in. So the diagonal pieces, so this is a diagonal here. These go in this thick part of the case. And I'll just snap these three in. And then to go ahead and transition over this middle section, I normally like to put this piece down first. Okay. So Monica, can you snap those in?
Yep, I sure can. Here we go.
Snap those in first just because it gives you a little bit of stability as you go ahead and attach these side pieces now. Hold this up. Really simple. This will take you like 2 minutes, and then you have portable paper storage.
Love it.
So easy to take all your different paper supplies to different events, right?
All done. Now let's show them this
part. Oh, look at that. The beauty of that.
Now that it's all snapped together, now you can sort and organize your paper and projects with the paper insert. You now have 8 pockets in the carry-all case.
And this back one, look at how wide that back space is.
I gotta put some stuff in.
Start filling it up. Fill her up.
You tell them and I'll fill it up.
Yeah, so these ones are really nice because these are all symmetrical and the same size. You can see this whole pack of cardstock fits right in there perfectly, and I'll tell you, there's even more room in there still. And this back section, like I was saying, is actually wider. And I love this because how many partially completed projects do we carry around in those little paper organizers, right? So that will fit right in that back section for you.
Look at that, Christina.
Oh, So
And there's
nice.
still so much room back here to put other things and other supplies as well.
Absolutely.
So let's load up the front pocket just a little bit here.
Why not?
All right, we've got that. We'll unzip that one. And you can see like how simple,
Look
like
at
your
this.
thin cuts, your die
Perfect.
cuts here go right inside. Embossing folders, your Picture My Life cards, all those smaller little embellishments, tools, everything like that go right inside of this pocket. Now this is just one way to use the carry-all case. Let's take a look at this other case right behind you, Christina. Let's take a look at this case and how you can use the designer travel system to organize your tools and supplies. We are going to lay this down flat again. Do you want to open it on your side, Christina? And then you're not going to believe this. Okay, are you ready? This is really, really cool. I think this is the coolest
Here it
part of
comes.
this whole system. Look at this.
Oh,
my goodness.
organization.
Here, let's tilt it up, Christina, just to make sure
Absolutely.
you can see all that. You can see here we've got stamp organizers, stamp pad organizers, tools, and they've been labeled as well. There's just so many cool features to this.
We need to pull these out.
Okay, let's pull these out. Okay, not only are they awesome storage solution as well, but you can see it's got the trendy features. So you've got your zippers, and they're all labeled with Close to My Heart. Like you can see, look at all these stamp sets that go inside.
This holds 15 stamp sets just in this one stamp organizer.
And
here.
it has 2 dividers as well. So if you want to divide different things or different sections, you can put that in as well.
One case, 15 stamp sets. That's
15.
amazing.
Awesome. All right, now let's look at the stamp pad holder. Oh my goodness.
I love this.
Your double zippers, your gold zippers. And it
this
does have,
piece,
yep, it
right,
does
so you
have,
can see it.
you can see what colors you have. Exactly. So let's open this one up, Christina, you can see. And again, you've got your dividers right there. 1, 2 dividers. And you can store them by colors, by seasons, what you're working on. Just so much that you can do with this beautiful stamp organizer or stamp pad organizer.
That's just
all right, this is just another one because you can't have
you
too
can
many
fit
stamps.
2 in there, which is great.
Let's talk about these. Look at the handles,
love
first of all. So again, portable, easy. Oh, but before I open it, let's see. What does this one say? It says block. So this one is meant and designed to organize your blocks.
I love it.
You've got your gold zippers again. And here you go. Look at that. Isn't that so clever? And what a great organization system to have all your different size blocks. And you can see how these little pockets don't go all the way down to the end.
Right.
They stop there so that your blocks will stay in place.
Because if they went all the way down, they would just kind of stack up there.
Yeah, exactly.
That's brilliant.
So now it's evenly distributed. Awesome. Okay, what do we have next, Christina?
Next up is
Markers.
Yay.
Oh, this is a good one.
This one's going to be pretty.
Okay, Christina, I'll let you talk through this one because I'm just going to just drool as I look at this.
So how
beautiful,
great
amazing.
is this to have all the different markers that you need right at your fingertips? And not only does it look beautiful, but it's also super handy because you could easily just have this out at your workstation while you're working and have quick and easy access to all the different colors. And this does hold all of our markers.
Our markers that we carry in our catalog, so you can see how awesome and easy that is to store. All right, we have one more tool, or one more carry all to show you. This one is the tool one.
And there, you can tell right there, which is nice. This is such a little feature, but so
Right.
helpful because these do look very similar.
Right.
But it's so easy for you to tell which one it is because it has the little tag right
I
there.
got so excited, Christina, I can't even
I
talk.
can't blame you.
So cool. So this one does hold your tools. You can see right there. And see how the pockets are just shaped a little differently?
Then the block
So
one.
you can really just make it whatever you want, whatever you feel like you need for yours. And so let's put it right down here so you can see. We've got our watercolor pencils, bone folder, tape runner, all these different little tools and things that you need, but different size pockets that do go down a little deeper, which is really, really, really cool as well.
That is such a small change between this one and the block, but it makes such a difference because you can then fit things like your watercolor pencils or the shimmer brush. The longer things like that fit in here perfectly.
So, exactly.
And then one other idea that we also have, of course,
And
which
that
is
one, what's that one labeled?
this one is
Tools, isn't
labeled tools as well. Oops, let me grab that.
Yep, there you go.
Here we go. And let's take a look in here and see what we've done with this one. Look at that. Embellishments. We all have so many of these that we need to bring, of course, to all of our different crafting
Shimmer
events.
trim, ribbon, all your cute little embellishments.
And they slide perfectly down in there.
Yep, look at that.
And will be great and secure for travel and super easy to use at your events as well. So look at how easy this is to organize all of your supplies with Designer Travel. You can choose what pieces best fit your needs in your workspace.
The other thing we love about Designer Travel is how easy it is to make these pieces portable. You can add 2 carry-all cases to the Designer Travel trolley and you're ready to go. Shall we show them how to do that?
We shall. Okay, let's start
trolley together
with the trolley itself. So this here is the trolley, and it comes just like you see here, flat. So why don't we go ahead and show them first of all how we extend this piece.
Yes,
so this here just pops right up and locks into place here. Now to lock it here, you're going to go ahead and move this piece down in.
Snap
that in, and that locks this piece here into place, which makes it really secure. Okay, so this down here is really nice for when you've stopped and you have your bags on here. Sometimes they can be a little front heavy, and you know what can typically happen is that these would tip over. But we have this great little pull-out foot here, and all you do is just put your fingers here, and it pulls out, and then this little piece stands there to stabilize
It's stable and it's awesome. And when you're going to be transporting it around, though, you want to pull this back in, right?
Of course, yep, absolutely.
Push it back in, and there you go.
Easy.
Now we're ready to go. Look at that, so cool. All right, now you can stack up to 2 on this trolley. Let's show them how we do that.
Absolutely.
All right, now we are ready to put our designer cases onto our trolley. You can see Christina's reaching up here. The handle has different settings for different heights, and we've got it there. So we're going to put 2 of the designer cases on. So beautiful. Look at that.
And so easy.
Yep, very, very simple. And of course, you know, when you're going to a crop or doing something like that, you want to make sure you've got all your tools. So you've got both of them on here. And not only that, it is so easy to maneuver. You can see here with the 360 wheels there, and then you can just tip it, depending on how much paper you have in here, to take it with you. So very, very simple. And it's so great because it all comes then back down compact. You can take this all back down and you've got your cases ready to go.
In this, you can fold right up, so it's super easy for storage. So now that the carry-all cases are added and the trolley's ready to go, you have a completely portable and stylish organization system.
Because we know that you're going to love this new system, Close to My Heart has included a designer travel storage case in an exclusive Hostess Rewards bundle. When you host a gathering party that reaches the 3rd level of Hostess Rewards, you can purchase the designer travel bundle for 50% off the retail price. The designer travel bundle includes the pieces we've shown you in the video. 2 carry-all cases, 1 paper insert, 1 each of the marker, tool, block, and stamp cases, 2 ink cases, and the trolley.
To find out more or to become a hostess, talk to your Close to My Heart independent consultant or visit closetomyheart.com to find a consultant in your area.